Hello there. Do you want to make your web pages come to life, make them more interactive and dynamic? Using JavaScript in order to update web page elements, you can accomplish all of this and a whole lot more. Let your imagination be the only limit. This course is going to walk you through how you can use JavaScript, applying JavaScript code in order to make things happen. Selecting page elements, making updates to the element styling, selecting attributes, adding classes, removing classes, making animations, so adding event listeners to create interactive web pages. Event listeners and event handlers can be added to page elements in order to make interaction within your web page content. Source code is also included. Included is a downloadable PDF guide that you can use as you go through the lessons of this course. There's also a number of exercises within the lessons in order to challenge you, which give you an opportunity to apply what you've learned throughout the course. This is going to be a fast-paced course taught to you by an instructor with many years of web development experience, helping you learn more about JavaScript and how you can code with JavaScript for the real world. Join now, start coding today, see what you can make happen.